Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cancel my rental on Trulia. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Trulia application, which of course I have done right here. Now I'd like you to know that Trulia is an American online real estate marketplace, which is a subsidiary of Zillow. It facilitates buyers and renters to find homes and neighborhoods across the United States through recommendations, local insights, and map overlays that offer details on commutes, schools, churches, and nearby businesses. So now that we know a bit of what Trulia is about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to cancel my rental on Trulia. Now, I'd like you to know that you will not be able to cancel your rental on Trulia, or let's say cancel your listed property on Trulia, because you cannot create a listing directly on Trulia. You have to create a listing or your rental directly in the source website, which is Zillow. So for you to cancel that rental, you have to head over to Zillow, where you created your listing or you created your property. So we're heading straight to Zillow to see how we can get that canceled. So launch your Zillow account, which is a source website for Trulia. Then in here, head over to the top right corner of your screen and select My Manage Rentals and go ahead and click on My Listings. So the rental property that you listed is going to be displayed right here in this page. Now from this page, I'm going to show you what exactly you can do to cancel your rental property. So now you're going to have to select the rental property that you listed or that you want to cancel. Once you select your rental property that is here already, now this has not been listed, so this option I'm going to let you in on, you would be shown here because this has not been listed. But if it has been listed, then you're going to see right here in active listing. So right next to the active listing, you're going to find the expire option. So go ahead and click on expire. Now, once you click on expire, then the property is going to be canceled and it's going to be removed from your Zillow rental property list. It's going to be canceled and it's going to be removed. So head over here, you're going to find active property or active rental property. Next to it, you're going to find expire. So click on expire and it's going to be canceled that way. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.